It is later in the afternoon, and I need to take a shower, and I don't think we're going anywhere because look, it's raining, and I still don't feel good. Yeah, so good afternoon. Tired. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, and yep. Guys, I really don't feel good right now. I'm like super sick. My head hurts super bad. And I just woke up taking a nap, and there's people over. I'm tired. So I'm getting ready to go to sleep. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and my parents want me to get a job because there's this person they know that works at Taco Bell, and they're the manager. And they're trying to get me a job over there, and I don't want to work there. I don't want to work at any fast food place. Yeah, I just don't want to do that because I can't. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go to sleep. Tired. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.